Okay, we are coming to something advanced in Python. So you can see this Python tree. Right. We're going to do something all together, right, including enumeration. Okay, so to use enumeration, of course, first I need to import. All right, so I need to import enum. Okay, all right, so that's the first thing. Okay, remember to import, otherwise you can't use the function. Then I create a class. All right, then this is the class name, weekdays. All right, and of course I do the enum and I list it out, all right, the entire class. But I associate each of the day, which is just a name, all right, with a value. So I have Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, and so forth until Sunday. Okay, right, so that's what this class actually is. Then I ask for input from the user, right, using the input, store it in a variable. I call it day. All right. So far so good. All right, but I haven't used it yet. To go through the enum list, okay, I actually use a for loop, which is probably the easiest way to do this. So I create a member, all right, okay, that loops inside the enumeration weekdays, all right, and I do a matching between the name of the day and what is input, all right, and if it matches, I will extract the value, which is the number part, and I store it in a day value, right, which is another variable. Okay, now once I did this, okay, it becomes easier for me because now I can use the day value as a number because it's extracted as a value, all right, in my condition. Okay, so if it's bigger than 5, so which is bigger than 5? This two is bigger than 5. All right, Saturday and Sunday. So if I key in Saturday or Sunday, right, then it will be true, and then this will be printed. Otherwise, okay, the else, this will be printed. Okay, now I just want to test run it. Okay, so I'll just test run it, and you will say please enter day of the week. So let's say Wednesday. Hit enter, then it says, oh, hurry up. Okay, you are late for work. Today is Wednesday. All right, because Wednesday is 3. 3 is not bigger than 5. Now I'm going to run this again, and now I'm going to just put Saturday. All right, then Saturday is actually 6. All right, Saturday is actually 6. So 6 is bigger than 5, and then you will just tell me, say, hey, today is weekend, take it easy. All right, so of course there's many ways to get this result, but I just want to show enum in how it is being used, all right, for your computer science.